Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to create a page border for an image in Microsoft Word. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and insert the image into MS Word. For that, go ahead and click on Insert tab right here. And then go ahead and click on Images. Go ahead and click on Picture. Then you can get your picture from this device, from stock image, and then from online. So I'm going to go ahead and select this device. Then go ahead and locate where you have the picture. I have the picture in my desktop right here. So I'm going to use this image right here. I'll click on Insert. Once you insert the image, how can you add border to this particular image right here? So for that, go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Picture Border. Then you have different options right here. Go to Width. Then you can add dash border. Everything depends on what exactly you are looking at. And for instance, if I want to add thick border right here, I will go ahead and click on this 6, which is the highest the figure as at the time I'm using these pictures right here. So we can go back to border right here. We can change the color to different types of color as the case may be. So once you are satisfied with the color, then you are good to go. One more thing here is that we can also advance this border to more design. So for that, right click on the image, then go ahead and click on picture format right here, and then you are going to see this option from the sidebar right here. Now what you need to do right here is under the picture format right here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to this, and this is going to open up right here. Then you have solid color. If you want to change from solid color to gradient, go ahead and select gradient, and then you have gradient right here. Then you can play around with different colors. I'm going to leave it in solid color right here. Then here, we can also click on here. This allows us to change color. Then we can use different line format right here. So we can click on compound right here. You can use different line format as the case may be. Just like what you see right here, that is 2-stroke. So if you want to switch to 3-stroke, and the more you click, the more everything is going to be reflected in the image. So go back to the paint right here, and then you can also work on the width right here. The more you increase, the more the border is going to be traced right here. So once you are satisfied with the border, then you are going to go like what you see right here. So go ahead and click on the image again, go back to paint. Then you can also change the compound style to another option. You can click on here, you can choose dash as the case may be, and then you can also walk around the edges of the shape. This is flat, you can make it round, and then it's going to be rounded. Then the joint also landed as the case may be. Then we can come back to compound type right here. We can switch to options right here, and then you are good to go. We can also increase the width more and more until we are fully satisfied. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Word like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.